What happens when you drink lemon water at night? These little yellow fruits can offer many wonderful benefits that you've probably never heard of. It can detoxify your body and offer many health and beauty benefits. All of that will be discussed in this video, so please stay in tune with us till the end. Having lemon juice could be helpful to your health in many different ways. Lemons are packed with vitamins and nutrients, like vitamin C, fiber, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and vitamin B complex. Vitamin C can help boost your immune system and speed up recovery from several ailments. It works even better if you drink lemon water before bed. It's because lemon gives an extra boost of vitamin C that will help you keep healthy against all diseases. Let's know 7 impressive benefits of drinking lemon water at night. Number 1, it helps in digestion. Drinking lemon water at night will help to have regular bowel movements, as it contains pectin fiber, which is necessary for digestion. It lessens your problems with constipation and improves your overall digestion. Lemon water will improve your body's ability to absorb nutrients, which in turn can reduce the sensation of bloating and gas. Number 2, helps to improve sleep. Lemon water can help boost the necessary nutrients and minerals in your system. Also, it could be adding more vitamins to your body's balance. When you regularly drink lemon water before bed, it can help you sleep better, thus, making you more energetic. It helps repair your muscles and joints and control your hormones. That's making you more energetic for the next day. Number 3, helps to burn more calories. Lemon water can help you lose a few pounds of weight. Because water is a natural calorie burner and lemon contains dietary fibers. This can stop you from feeling hungry, and in this way help you lose weight. There are 2 ways for you to drink lemon water before bed. One is cold and other is having hot. Warm lemon water works best for calorie burning. Number 4, good for skin. Drinking lemon juice at night keeps your skin blemish-free. The antioxidants found in lemon juice will help lessen blemishes and wrinkles. It can also be used on scars and age spots to lighten them. Since it eliminates bad chemicals out of your blood, it will also keep your skin glowing. Number 5, boosts immune system. Lemon is known as a source of high vitamin C, which can offer 187% vitamin C of the daily value needed for our diet. That can be beneficial for our immune system and health. Drinking lemon water can help you increase your defense against viral infections and immune system weaknesses. Number 6, help to hydrates the body. Throughout the day, your body needs water to stay hydrated. Drinking lemon water at night can help replenish and rehydrate the water that you lost throughout the day. Other than that, lemon water will help your muscles work efficiently through proper circulation. Your muscles won't be sore when you wake up the next morning. Number 7, detoxifies the body. Throughout the day, people frequently breathe and intake toxins, which can make them sick. Luckily for all, having lemon water at night can help to flush out the body's toxins. Also, it will help your body detox overnight. Though, you might need to go to the bathroom several times a night. Further, this can be a great remedy for anxiety and depression. It gives your body more energy when lemon juice reaches your digestive tract. Also, it may help to lessen anxiety and depression. In fact, even smelling lemons will calm your nervous system. So just having lemon juice before bed has so many great benefits. Now let me know, will you like to drink lemon water before bed? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you liked the information that was shared in this video. Then hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, then go ahead and click the subscribe button as well, because we have a lot of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Stay fit and thanks for watching this video.